So this video is actually about tarot cards. No, it's actually about my first time to take airplane alone. One of my favorite tarot cards channel told me I should wear something colorful to bring me good luck. Something colorful that different appeared compared to my other clothes that only black and white. Because seriously, I play tarot cards only for fun, so I'm not that good at this. So the first, second appears in this video. The only thing I read out from the images is that maybe this trip is quite positive. I hope so, because on the way to the airport, I still so fucking nervous. So we're here. I can see even little kids can do better than me. Maybe this video is so too flat for you to feel my surprise when I see the empty seats besides me. The second tip on my to-do list was not difficult to finish at all, so I'm very appreciative for the well preparation of the food package the airline company provide. I ignored the straw, so I finished yogurt without it. Yeah. At this moment, I was already not nervous at all. The only thing I can feel is the good weather today in Hong Kong. Yeah, this Hong Kong. Did I say Hong Kong is my destination? Anyway, I missed my bus, just like I ignored that straw. I think the two things is related to each other. How about you guys think about these two things? So I just finished my Anyway, I got on my bus. In the end, they even provide a CCTV for you to spy on your suitcase to make sure it's safe. And now I can finally totally enjoy the trip process. And I hope you find this video not that too boring. Anyway, thank you for watching.